How to separate first name and last name in Excel using formula. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are going to show you step by step how to do so. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So first of all, let's open up Excel on our screen. You can also open it up on your screen and let's start up with an example. So here on the first cell, what we can do is, for example, let's say this is the name. So you can just go over and type in your name as well. Once you have done so, once you have typed in your name in your first cell, if you want to separate it into first name, middle name, and last name, so click on the B1 cell and there just go and type in this formula. Type in is equal to left and then select up your name, A1. After that, just go and type in comma, find, and inside bracket, inside double quote with space, type in comma and again select A1. Once it is done, you can close the bracket and type in -1 and go ahead and close the bracket and hit enter, and it will separate the result into B1, the first name, which is John right here. And if you want to type in the last name, what we can do is we can click on the D cell right beside the cell and go ahead and type in this formula right here, right? And select up your first cell where the name is provided. After that is then you can type in comma and again len, and inside the bracket again go ahead and select up your first cell, close up your cell. After that type in minus, fine, and inside double quote you need to type in @ like this, comma, and type in substitute. After that you can type in bracket once again and select up your first cell, comma, and double quote, comma and double quote with a space. After that again comma, and you can again type in double quote and type in @ inside double quote once again, comma, and type in len. Once it is done, again close it up, type in substitute. After that again type in bracket, select up your first cell, and once it is done type in comma and again double quote with space, and with after that is done again type in comma and again double quote with space. After that is done, you can just go and close up the bracket, how much bracket it was. After that is done, you can just go and hit enter, and when you do, it should give you the last name that you're looking for. So go ahead and do so, and that should provide it up. Apart from that, if you want to look out for the middle name, again you can follow the same formula and press enter, and it will be available in result. You can just go and do so. If you have row 2, 3 who have same name, you can just go and select the cell and go ahead and drag this small square in the bottom like this, and that will provide you the name separately, and it will work for all the rows. And that's it. This is how you should be able to do it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.